Hey folks, probably noticed a little warm out there today. Temperatures in the 90s across most of the valley. Still hotter in Rio Grande City, 101 there. Next half hour we'll show you the readings farther to the north because it's even hotter when you get up into West Texas. But we're still in the 90s, courtesy of our breeze coming off the Gulf of Mexico. That's kept the island at only 82 this afternoon, and that'll be about the same tomorrow, back into the mid 80s again, while the rest of the valley's in the 90s, and it's 102 in the west. Add in the heat index. That's when you add the humidity, what it makes it feel like, and it's going to feel like it's over 100 pretty much valley-wide. It's going to be a hot one. The normal for this time of year is 91, and we'll be above that all the way through the rest of the week and probably into the weekend. By early next week, there's some indication we'll bring it back down a notch, but just a notch, not a lot. Satellite shows not much happening over the valley today. It's been mostly sunny most of the day across the region, and if we watch Future Track, says it's going to stay mainly clear tonight, just patchy clouds, warm and humid. Then we go into tomorrow, and look at this, just patchy clouds early, but then it's warm and humid, very warm under mostly sunny skies. And you go into tomorrow night and wait for Thursday, a few more clouds possible Thursday. Still breezy, hot and humid, but by Thursday night, a very small chance for a shower, a thunder shower, and then a better chance on Friday night. And it's one of those things that, again, if you get a thunderstorm, it could be relatively strong. That's over the weekend. Tomorrow, though, it's dry. Thursday, I think, starts dry. Thursday night, a slight chance for a shower, thunder shower. Then we hold at 20, and then Friday night we go up to 40% for scattered activity around the area. As far as the weekend goes, take a look. We've got 93 on Saturday with spotty storms. This is a 3-day weekend, by the way, so we'll do Sunday, a stray shower, and then spotty storms again on Monday. All 3 days, 90 plus. The warmest probably Saturday. We got a stair step down, and again, a shower thunderstorms possible any day, but I don't know that it's going to be just a rainy day. I don't see that happening. Let's go to the tropics, shall we? We're still keeping an eye on Arthur. Can you tell where Arthur is in this picture? There's an awful lot of moisture on here, a lot of stuff happening off the coast of the Carolinas. There's North Carolina, there's South Carolina, all of it moving away from land. But if we draw in where the storm is, it's where the clear skies are. Part of it back to the west, part of it off to the north. So this is a post-tropical system now. Still has winds of 60 miles per hour. The pressure's still pretty low, 2732. It's about 400 miles east, northeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. Moving to the east at 15 right now. It's going to work its way southward and begin to weaken. And by Thursday morning, when it gets near Bermuda, winds down to 35 miles per hour. But they'll notice that. But again, it's not a major hurricane or anything like that. At the coast here, south to southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow. The bay is rather choppy. There will be a small craft advisory. There's a low risk of rip currents there where your tides. So for tonight, clear to partly cloudy, your low around 76 degrees, south to southeast winds, not much more than about 10 to 15. But then the wind picks up a little bit tomorrow, gust over 25, sunny with breezy conditions during the afternoon. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast calls for readings to stay in the 90s. Maybe we back down a little bit on Monday, a little bit, but by Tuesday we're back to 90. But at least the possibility of a shower or thunderstorm works its way into the forecast. Maybe Thursday night, probably a better chance Friday night. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.